Introducing the Honda certified 2012 Civic LX. This vehicle features a Dyno Blue Pearl exterior with the gray interior. The Civic's unmatched dependability makes this a best bet. This gas saver will get you down the highway at 36 miles per gallon and around the city at 28 miles per gallon. That makes this a great money saver. With key features including an MP3 player, remote trunk release, keyless entry, child safety locks, and new tires. Previously owned by a single non-smoker. This ride is very clean and comfortable. So come on out to Fisher Honda and give this baby a test drive.